When was the last time you had a real conversation where you actually listened, where you were curious? Because right now we're living through something where we can ask the internet almost anything. We can talk to AI instead of people. While all of this got easier, our social skills got weaker. And that's a big deal because being good with people is one of the most important skills you'll ever have. Don't get me wrong, it's amazing for getting information fast, but it also means we are practicing something else a lot less, actual human interaction. And just like any skill, if you stop practicing it, it gets weaker. A lot of us have gotten a bit worse at talking to people, a bit more awkward, a bit more in our heads during conversations. That's what happens when a skill goes unused. About 95% of your life involves interacting with people, family, friends, co-workers, partners, strangers, viewers. That means how good you are with people doesn't just affect your social life, it affects your career, your friendships, your relationships, even your mental health, because feeling connected to people is one of the biggest parts of feeling okay. And yet a lot of us treat social skills like something we just born with, like I don't have to learn this, I'll just show up and talk. But that's like saying you don't need to train for a marathon, you'll just show up and run it. Social skill is a skill like any other. You build it, you practice it, you get better at it on purpose. If I had to pick one thing that instantly makes you better at talking to people, it's this: genuine curiosity. Think about the last time you were in a conversation, but your mind wasn't really there. Maybe you were nodding, but half your brain was somewhere else, thinking about what to say next, or just not that interested. And when that happens, we listen with half an ear, not fully. But here's the thing, full listening is actually rare these days, and it can be the best gift you can give to people and to yourself. When you truly listen to someone, they feel seen, understood, mattered, and conversation feels way more meaningful, and that feeling is something people remember about you way more than anything clever you said. Here is a shift that changed how I see conversations. Think about traveling. When you go somewhere new, you don't want to see the same things you already have at home. You want something different, new food, new streets, new stories. That's the whole point of the trip. People are the same. Every person you talk to has an entire world you've never seen, a different childhood, different struggles, different lessons learned the hard way. That's actually not boring. That's basically a free trip into someone else's life. If you're curious enough to ask, try treating them like a new place you're visiting for the first time. Ask questions like you actually want to know the answer, because you probably do, you just forgot to notice. When you get better at this, conversations stop feeling like small talk and start feeling like actual connection. People enjoy being around you. It feels rare in a world full of half listening. And on your side, life gets more interesting. Every person becomes a new story you get to explore, instead of just another interaction to get through. That's genuinely one of the most underrated ways to make everyday life feel richer. What do you think? Do you agree? Or do you think it's completely BS? Please let me know in the comments.